Lesson 1. Connect with math. A. Vocabulary. 1. Listen, count, and say. Numbers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2. Count and circle. 1, 6, 7. 2, 5, 9. 3, 8, 10. 4, 10, 6. 5, 8, 7. 3. Unscramble and match. 1. G-E-H-T-I. 2. I-X-S. 3. T-N-E. 4. E-S-N-V. B. Language. Asking and answering about people's ages. 1. Listen, point, and say. I'm 10. How old are you, Hannah? I'm 6. I'm 6 too. I am equals I'm. 2. Look and circle. How old are you? 1. I'm 6, 7. 2. I'm 10, 8. 3. I'm 8, 9. 4. I'm 7, 4. 3. Look and complete. How old are you? 1. I'm 2. I'm 3. 7. 4.